Maybe you're here confused as I am. You received a set of LED light strips and alls they have on them for a brand is BMI merchandise. If you got here and you think to yourself, wow, I want to know more about these things before I hook them up, you're in the right place, because I'm figuring that out too. Jack, our good buddy and old pal, bought a new whip, and included in that whip were these LED light strips that I'm now supposed to review, not knowing anything about them. What I did find in our research is that these retail for $5.25, so let's see what $5, you know, a Subway footlong, can get you in the form of LED lights. Stick around. So while these things are only $5.25, they do actually have tape on them, which I will cut briefly. There we go, there's one side, and there is two. Obviously, you're here because you've seen some of our other LED light videos, which we have a ton of. Those are more informative, but this one is more for fun because we really don't know what's in this packaging. What I get from the outside is that these lights can be in 15 different colors, are powered by USB, and are good for TVs, room decor, and more with remote. Sounds fun. Easy to use, reduce eye strain, can be cut to fit, USB powered, change colors with remote, class 1 LED product. LED strip with adhesive backing, yada yada yada. 1 meter in length, low energy, universal USB output. That's all we... Hopefully there wasn't anything important in there. Ah, good, no. In the packaging was just a bag, which contains a LED light strip, a remote, and a USB cable. Man, this wow, I'm uncoordinated today. This really reminds me of the first set of LED light strips that I ever received, and I was so cheap. I bought them at Walmart. I think they were also $5, and they were simply powered by USB, which usually means they're not the brightest. Let's take a look, though, at this strip. I will say the unique thing about these compared to most LED strips that I review is that the backing is black instead of white, which may be good for some types of decor, or if you're just hanging these on the back of your TV. My TV does have a USB port on it, which would make it easy for me to just plug this into the USB port, power it that way, and have the lights hidden under the TV for some cool ambiance. Maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't. The plug-in to the actual lights is 4 prongs, which I assume I have to do a certain way, otherwise they won't work. Let's hope that's the right way. And the world's shortest USB cable to hook these things up to power. Just read the directions, I'm interested to see what they have to say. Yeah, most of these just talk about the remote and how I have to pull the battery tab out, so let's plug these into my computer. Power. It's probably hooked up the wrong way. Bingo! Convinced I do that wrong every time. A lot brighter than I expected. Let's try the different modes. Flash. Brightness levels? Okay, when I press the brightness levels button, they do not change at all. Well, besides the semi-functioning remote, there also is a 3M strip on the back for mounting purposes, so you can mount these very inconspicuously. And since they are such a small length, you can pretty much fit them anywhere. I really don't have much more to say about these. It looks like you can... Nope, you can't. You can snip them if you would like. That's nice to know. But anyways, I want to find out more about these, and the truth is, I don't have time to look up more about them, so if you find more information on LED lights by BMI merchandise or wherever the box went, let us know in the comment section below. We would love to know more so that others who get these aren't like, huh, what are these about? That said, that is all I have to say about these LED light strips. The first person to comment down below, give me these light strips. If you DM us on Instagram and prove that you were the first one, I will send them to you. Yes, to your house if you live in the United States, as well as some 3411 Heaven stickers. If you want us to do more things like that in the future, please drop a like on this video and also click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. We'll catch you in the next one, folks. Thanks for watching. Bird out.